Today I will take you through our highly sought after royal suite. You can either reach the royal suite through our main entrance lobby or through this private lift that takes you straight to the suite. Welcome to the royal suite, where Moroccan crafts are in the spotlight. As soon as you enter your home away from home, you'll be greeted by your personal butler. The suite features sumptuous and authentic furniture with traditional Andalusian design that evoke a sense of elegance and sophistication. It is spread over 175 square meter indoor and 145 square meter of outdoor terrace with a 10 meter private heated pool. Now, what is highly sought is the breathtaking views of the Atlas Mountain and our manicured gardens that you have just behind me. But as well, on the terrace of the Royal Suite, our butler will very gladly organize your favorite vintage champagne paired with some canapes to enjoy the sunsets. Going back into your main living room, you can even choose to transform your Royal Suite from a one-bedroom to a two-bedroom suite, with our connecting deluxe room just next to it, that is connecting from the inside, just in case you travel with your family members or bodyguard. We are entering now your master bedroom that features a hand-carved wall representing the authentic Moroccan architecture. It features a large dressing room and a well-appointed bathroom that has majestic views of the Atlas Mountains. You can even choose to privatize the entire first floor that consists of 7 bedrooms on the right side and on the left side and make it your own private penthouse in case you travel with family members or a larger group of friends.